Welcome to one of the most magical places in Portugal, Pena Palace in Sintra. With its fairy tale towers, jaw-dropping views, and rich history, this place feels straight out of a storybook. But getting here, well, that's an adventure in itself. So let's go, because this is a spot you don't want to miss. We started our journey at Sintra train station, where catching a hop-on, hop-off bus is the easiest way to reach Pena Palace. It's a winding ride up the mountain, but trust me, it saves you a serious uphill climb.
This is what we got. It's a hop-on, hop-off, $13.50 all-day ticket.
First things first, admission tickets. You can buy them online in advance or at the entrance like we did. Once inside, we make our way through the palace gardens, and fair warning, it's a bit of a steep walk, but hey, that's all part of the adventure.
Don't you think? Everything. Patiently waiting to get in. Now the sky is clearing.
Now let's step inside. Pena Palace, originally a monastery, but in the 19th century, King Ferdinand II transformed it into a romantic, colorful masterpiece. Inside, you'll find grand royal chambers, intricate tile work, and even a dining room set for a king. Fun fact, this palace was one of the first in Europe to have a shower, which back in the day was a pretty big deal. The real magic of Pena Palace. It's out here, the bright red and yellow towers, Moorish-inspired details, and these stunning 360-degree views. On a clear day, you can even see all the way to Lisbon. No wonder this palace is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
A quiet little corner to chat.
Yeah, because it's pretty windy right at the top here. You get people here and you see their hair is just blowing left and right. Luckily they're not wearing wigs.
But the views here are spectacular.
Oh, yeah.
The cost of this entry fee to get in
well
here,
worth it.
Well worth it.
Yeah.
It is sensory overload, like lots of color,
Yeah,
lots of
stuff to see.
Lots of history. It's just fascinating. It really is, and it is a beautiful, beautiful place.
We
My
found
favorite word.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah, we got to get you a thesaurus. What we've been finding is taking about an hour and 15 minutes to do the whole tour of the castle.
No, we're not done.
No, but this is just the castle. It's
Yeah.
been an hour already, so yeah.
And it's not an old castle. It really is fairly modern and new.
It's old compared to.
I mean, 1800s it was built, so,
so it's not that
it
bad.
probably took a long time to. Well, we are done, at least for this castle, this part of Sintra. We're gonna see if we can pick up maybe some lunch, find our way back, rest a little bit, enjoy our time here in Sintra, and then we've got another adventure coming. So find out where we end
Always
up.
on the go, we have ants in our pants.
Just want to point out, we are here, it is February, and you see how busy it is. So if you're planning on coming in the middle of summer, June, July, August, September, be prepared. Long waits, and it will be very, very hot as well.
Sintra is full of cute little shops and cafes, perfect for a relaxing break. Grab some lunch.
And hopefully it won't break the banks. And in Portuguese you say petisco. Lupin beans, right? Lupin beans. You bite that little tip off. And I like the little plate. The little plate. You know?
Oh, very good. I've already had that bite.
Just have a little bit.
And of course, had to try Sintra's famous dessert, the Queijadas de Sintra, a delicious little pastry made with cheese, sugar, eggs, and cinnamon. If you visit, do yourself a favor and try one.
Okay guys, just want to say ciao, see you next time. Thanks for joining us.
What an
Of
incredible
Sintra.
day exploring Pena Palace and Sintra. If you enjoy this adventure, check out our Portugal playlist for more travel inspirations. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel videos, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels!
Happy travels!